The Big Volcano by Ibrahim, age 7, Wichita, Kansas. The big volcano burns the dinosaurs. There is no water. They can't climb the side of the volcano and spit in the volcano. One day, a brave little dinosaur is going to save the day. He does push-ups. He climbs walls. He's the flying type. Super incredible flying dinosaur took a fat metal wire with 2 holes, and then he took 2 screws and 1 pail with 2 holes and combined them. He told every dinosaur to spit in the bucket. They spat in the bucket. Then super incredible flying dinosaur flew into the volcano and dumped the spit into it. There was smoke. Nothing happened. The day was saved thanks to super incredible flying dinosaur.